Hello students, in this video I am going to teach the poem Indian Weavers written by Sarojini Naidu. In the first video I will teach you the line meaning. In the second video I will teach you about figures of speech, title and the message. This poem is written by Sarojini Naidu, who is known as the Nightingale of India. In this poem, the poet talks about three types of garments that the weavers weave at three particular time of the day. The time reflects a particular stage of life. Break of day reflects childhood, fall of night shows adulthood, and moonlight night tells us about death or old age. Now, let us move on to the first stanza. Words which are difficult I have underlined. I will tell their meaning and then explain the poem. Weavers weaving at break of day. Break of day means when the sun rises. So the poetess is asking the weavers, what are they weaving early in the morning? The second line, why do you weave a garment so gay? She further asks, why are they weaving a charming, bright and colorful garment? The third line is, blue as the wing of a halcyon wild. Halcyon wild is a bird found near sea. The weavers say they are weaving a blue garment like the wings of a halcyon bird. The fourth line, we weave the robes of a newborn child. The weavers are saying they are weaving the garment for a newborn child. So we can make out what is the time here. Time is break of the day. What is the color? The color is blue. And what is the stage? The stage is childhood. In the first line, the last word is day. In the second line, the last word is gay. So we can say the rhyming words are day and gay. The rhyme scheme is AA. In the third line, the last word is wild. And in the fourth line, the last word is child. So the rhyming words are wild and child. Rhyme scheme is BB. So the rhyme scheme of this stanza is AABB. Students, you can make out in the second stanza there are three dots. The three dots means ellipsis. It means there are several questions in her mind. Her mind means in the poetess' mind. Now let us move on to the second stanza. Weavers weaving at fall of night. Fall of night means evening. So the poetess is asking the weavers, what are they weaving in the evening? Why do you weave a garment so bright? She further asks them, why are they weaving such a bright garment? Now, let us look at the answer given in the third line and the fourth line by the weavers. Like the plumes of a peacock, purple and green. Plumes means feathers. So the weavers, they are saying that they are weaving purple and green colored garment like the wings of a peacock. We weave the marriage wheels of a queen, and the weavers are saying that they are weaving the marriage wheel of a queen. Marriage wheel means ghungat, and queen is here not only a queen, basically it is for any girl. So we can make out here the time is fall of night. The color is purple and green, And which stage? The stage is adulthood. We can make out the rhyming words are night bright, comma, green queen. And the rhyme scheme of this stanza is C C D D. Students, now let us move on the third stanza. Weavers weaving solemn and still. Solemn and still means quietly. So, once again, she's asking the weavers, what are they weaving so quietly? For which ceremony? What do you weave in the moonlight chill? Moonlight chill is dead of night. And she's asking once again the weavers, what are they weaving at moonlight night or the dead of night? White as a feather and white as a cloud. The answer which the weavers they give, they say that they are weaving something which is white like the feather and white like the cloud. We weave a dead man's funeral shroud. Shroud is basically the covering of the dead man. We also call it as coffin, and which is white in color in each and every religion. Now here the weaver is saying that they are weaving shroud for a dead man. They are weaving a coffin for the dead man. Now what is the time? Time is moonlight night. What is the color? The color is white. And what is the stage? The stage is death or old age. The rhyming words are still, chill, comma, cloud and shroud. So the rhyme scheme of the third stanza is EEFF. I hope students you have understood. Please watch the second video also on Indian weavers. Thank you.